Hello everyone. Welcome once again to our channel Back to Basics. Now in the last video, I told you how to identify word problems of addition, and I also told you about some signal words which will help you to identify the word problems of addition. Now today I'm going to start with word problems of subtraction, how to identify them. Now, children, let us look at some of the signal words of subtraction, as we did in the case of addition. Now, the signal words for subtraction is whenever you find a word left, went away, take away, flew away, swam away, then decrease, how much less, how many more, remaining, less than, minus. Then finally, ER words. ER words it are which end in ER, like faster, higher, larger, shorter. So whenever you find these signal words, then you can be sure that this is the word problem of subtraction. Now, basically, what is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away from a group or group of objects. जब हम किसी ग्रुप में से कोई चीज ले लेते हैं, we take away, उसमें से निकाल देते हैं, उसे हम कहते हैं subtraction. और जब हम subtract करते हैं तो उस ग्रुप की जो चीजें हैं they reduce or become less. मान लीजिए आपके पास 10 चीजें हैं और उसमें से हम 2 चीजें निकाल देते हैं, तो कितनी चीजें बची? 8. We are left with 8 things. That means from a group of 10, if you take away 2 objects, your group of 10 gets reduced to 8. So this is what is meant by subtraction. Now let us come to word problems, how to identify them. Now, supposing there are 5 birds on a tree. 3 birds flew away. Now children, look at this signal word flew away. As I told you, flew away, take away, swam away in the case of water animals. So whenever such words are there, then you can say that this is the word problem of subtraction. So 3 birds flew away. How many birds are left on the tree now? So your signal words are flew away and left. So you had 3 birds on a tree, and out of which 3 flew away. So you are left with 1 and 2. Similarly, there are 9 pencils on a table. The teacher took 5 pencils. 9 pencils थी टेबल में और अभी टीचर ने कितनी ले ली? 5 pencils उनमें से ले ली. She took 5 pencils. How many remaining pencils are there on the table? So your signal words are took, ले ली, remaining, बची हुई. So took and remaining are your signal words, and there were in all 9 pencils, out of which the teacher took 5 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you are left with remaining 1, 2, 3, and 4 pencils. Understood? Now let us see one more word problem. There are 10 girls and 6 boys in a class. How many more girls are there than boys? कितनी girls हैं? 10. Boys कितने हैं? 6. How many more? How many more is your signal word? कितनी girls बॉयज के कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा हैं. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. So your signal word is how many more. Now see this example. This is very interesting. A bucket weighs 3 kgs and a mug 1 kg. एक bucket है जिसका weight 3 किलोग्राम है और मग का 1 किलोग्राम है. Now, how much less does a mug weigh than a bucket? मग जो है वो बकेट से कितना कम है? How much less? I told you before, how much less and how much more are your signal words for subtraction. So how much less in this case is a signal word. So 3 kg was the weight of the bucket and the mug weighed 1 kg. So 3 minus 1, 2. So a mug weighs 2 kg less than a bucket. अब इसी क्वेश्चन को दूसरी तरह से देखते हैं. अब इसी क्वेश्चन में सेम फिगर्स के साथ हम सिग्नल वर्ड यूज करेंगे हाउ मच मोर. तो किस तरह से कैलकुलेशन सेम है लेकिन किस तरह से आपकी स्टेटमेंट बदल जाएगी. हैव अ लुक. अ बकेट वेज 3 kg and a mug 1 kg. How much more? पिछली साइड में क्या था? How much less. Now this question says how much more. कितना ज्यादा है बकेट का वेट मग के कंपैरेटिवली. How much more does a bucket weigh than a mug? So again 3 minus 2, 2 is the answer which is same, but how will you write it? So a bucket weighs 2 kg more. In the previous question, what did we write? We wrote a mug weighs 2 kg less than a bucket. Now in this case, a bucket weighs 2 kgs more than a mug. So you have to be very, very careful about these signal words. Coming to the last example, there are 8 cakes and 2 pizzas on the table. I'm sure all of you like cakes and pizzas. So there are 8 cakes and 2 pizzas on the table. Find the difference between the number of pizzas and cakes. पिज़्ज़ाज और केक्स में डिफरेंस बताइए उनके नंबर में. 8 केक्स हैं और पिज़्ज़ाज कितने हैं? 2. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. I'm sure you all know how to subtract. There is no need to tell you how to subtract. That you already know. The only thing is finding out the signal words and identify whether the question is of addition or subtraction. So that is all in this video. I'm sure you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please subscribe our channel and share it with others.